Hello everyone, I'm Harry, I'm in my college studio, and today we are going to be filming on
the orange mat. Oh yeah, let's get this started.
Today we're going to be filming some sound effects, that being crunching noises.
And down here, there's my water, and in the Tesco bag, we've got all our crunchy stuff. Breadsticks, 2 packets, biscotti string, crackers, a carrot, and some good old crisp. Look at this. Both the carrot and the crackers are orange, so as soon as I put them down, they're instantly invisible. They've blended in. You can't see them at all. I can't find them anywhere. I'll be crunching up all that stuff, and in case if I get a bit of a dry mouth, I've got this to keep me going. That's my jacket, and down here is my new friend. He's called Stephen. Stephen came with a pile of slime, which I really needed because I need some squelching sound effects. And he's going to be right here watching beside me. And I got his mate here called Daniel. Daniel is currently still trapped in his packaging, but hopefully that will be rectified very soon. But for now, we've got to get on with this. So, sorry Daniel. Stephen's doing me a favour of looking after the slime. Now Stephen, make sure none of this gets onto that carpet, because if it does, then well, it's going to be a befuddling one to clean off. Right, I think that's enough contents out of the way. Let's put this camera up on the tripod and get started.
Right, so there's a recorder just attached to the very top of the camera, so please excuse if some of the stuff does go out of frame. It's only because I want the sounds and not the visuals really, so yeah, let's begin. Let's start with a carrot. Whew. Whew. It's never really big on carrots. Lips are a little bit dry today. Right, carrot number 2. Look at this, I'm an alien. There's my water. I'm going to be needing this for my next bit, the crackers. Open her up. Oh, we've already got a cracker in there. Let's just try one cracker. Oh, I don't want crumbs to go everywhere. I'm going to eat this one. Right, you ready? Got to stand really close. You need to get water in it. I think I've had too many crackers now. Right, next one I think. Breadsticks. Hey, look at them. Oh, I've just broke one. I don't think I'm going to eat that one now. It's been on the floor. Look at that, it's not even straight. Curves a bit. We eat it. Hang on, before we move on, I've got some smaller breadsticks, only because I want to see what it looks like in Stephen's mouth. Okay, there they are. One little breadstick. You're right, Stephen. Bon appetit. Doesn't really fit in his mouth. And I'm going to bite a bit at the end. Maybe if I like, just make that like a triangle. That's not going to work. It's not really. It's not really fitting in, is it? There you go. That's close enough. If I take it away, yeah, it's not going to work. He looks like a really fat baby at Gisette now. Look, let's just focus on that. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Steve, you're going to need a wash now. Now, time for spaghetti swing. Oh, God, I need water. Now it's time for some uncooked spaghetti strings. Ooh, it's just broken off. And let's break them now. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly pick those bits up. Whew, right, now we've saved the best one for last. In my opinion, this is the best one. Why is it the best? Well, it's nothing but good old chips. Nobody salted here. Oh, all of those. Delicious. I love this job. Maybe that's what I should do for the industry of medium. Just make sound effects. Just make sound effects so that way I can just sit back and eat chips all day. I don't know, it was just like it when I got in. I think we'll end it here now. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.
Why are you eating on camera?
Because I need to get the sound effects and this is the only way I can record.